是跟你们分享一些我自己的小工具啦。那也很谢谢今天大家很认真的3个小时坐在这里陪伴我一起进行这个 workshop。那很希望也对你们有些帮助，不管是任何的领域这样子。那今天就很谢谢大家喽，我们就先结束了，谢谢。
有没有什么其他问题？我们现在可以问的。现在有在录影哈，大家继续。Any other question or comment? Yeah. Beyond our topic is okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Any like our Emily's experience? You want to add something? Anyone? Or like our
It's okay. I think it's pretty long. 3 hours. 辛苦大家。
我有一个小问题，就是那现在因为毕竟那个你现在的锁定市场 ，your market, your customer usually is focused on the children, yeah. But now in Taiwan society, we know we have less and less children.
Yeah.
In
so
next
what am I gonna do?
Generation, yeah.
My market next is teachers.
Okay.
Yeah, like music teachers, piano teachers, because I do get a lot of requests that piano teacher want to learn how to compose. 好想要学怎么样教小孩创作，所以我常收到这个音乐老师们会私下问 because they know how to play the piano, but they don't know how to teach children how to compose music. 然后我觉得创作这件事情在未来的这个 generation 也是一个很新的趋势吧，因为演奏 AI 就可以演奏了。那你说创作 AI 也可以创作，可是你要知道怎么下指令啊，你要知道你要什么风格啊，这些东西可能是我们以前在 when we have music education we didn't learn， 可能比较 more focus on classical, but then there's more than classical. So I do want to broaden my business to teacher's business, and also maybe I'm gonna start my composing again, do more composing for films, things like that. So that's another thing I've been doing. So I want to do maybe IG. I want to continue doing little projects and put on my IG. So that's another thing I want to do. The teachers, children, and podcasts. There's already have a lot on my plate. So yeah, but basically, I think even though children are getting less and less, but there's children. Not just in Taiwan. Overseas children.
So you,
yeah, because I can speak English, I'm thinking about online.
So you outreach the children all in the world?
Yeah, I want to offer classes for not just children in Taiwan, but children overseas.
I see.
So that's
how to make a branding alliance with Emily.
We can talk. We can talk later.
就是我们现在有那种虚拟装置兴起嘛，然后老师有没有就是想说往那个方向发展？
有but I'm still thinking, yeah, like I've been using ChatGPT for my podcast, just our research on that, and also I'm thinking of trying to do some background music using AI. Maybe it will fasten my process, 更快吧。有在往这个方向想。And they also teach children how to use AI. Yeah, because I think they need to know. Yeah, 就是我有再放一点点，就是很简单的，like 我现在暑假有个 summer camp， 暑假夏令营，我就教小孩做创作，然后我把 AI 的部分选了一个，我正在思考要选哪一个比较简单，让他们试试看 ，typing keywords and the music comes out。对，就是我在想结合 AI 在教孩子这一块，因为我觉得他们一定会遇到这件事情，早晚嘛。Yeah, so yeah, but thank you for pointing it out. I need to ask you for advice. 要请教那个 Jerry 老师，这个不是我的强项。Yeah, but thank you.
All right, so let's.
Thank you so much. 谢谢 Jay， 谢谢 Jerry， Thank you.